Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to enable or disable Control Panel and Settings app on Windows 11 and 10. For that, you can use either Local Group Policy Editor or Registry Editor. So let me start with first one, Local Group Editor Policy method. For that, click on this one, Start button, type Group Policy Editor, and here click on edit group policy, then select user configuration, double click on administrative templates, then select control panel. On the right you will find several settings. Here you need to select prohibit access to control panel and PC settings and double click on this one to open it. Here you can select not configured or disabled option in order to enable control panel as well as settings app on your PC, and if you want to disable access to control panel and settings app, then you need to select here enabled option, then click on the apply button, then click on the OK button, close the group policy editor window and restart your machine to apply the changes. For next one method, click on the start button and type registry, then click on registry editor app. Here you need to copy and paste this one address on the address bar of registrator. After that, press enter on the keyboard. On the right, if you find no control panel, then it's okay. If you don't find it here, you need to create a new one. For that, right click on the free space and select new divert 32-bit value. Name it no control panel. Click outside, then double click on this one no control panel. Here by default it will have value 0. That means control panel as well as settings app will be enabled on your PC, and if you enter here value 1, then control panel and settings app both will be disabled on your PC. Finally, you need to click on the OK button, close the registry editor, and then again open registry editor. This time you need to copy this one next address and paste it here. Press enter on the keyboard. Again you need to find out on the right side no control panel divert. If it does not exist, right click on this one free space, select new, and then divert 32-bit value. Name it no control panel. Click outside, double click on no control panel. Here again you need to set same value as you had done before. So I had disabled control panel and settings app. For that I need to enter here 1 as we have done before. After that click on this one OK button, close the registry editor, and now you need to restart your PC once to apply these changes. Thanks for the watching.